because I just crossed over 50,000. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Thank you, subscribers. I love you guys. Wow. Hey, you guys. So I was watching the statistics on YouTube. I'm so excited because I just crossed over 50,000 and Sparky's like super excited. I'm super excited. Thank you guys so much. I'm seriously gonna cry. That's like very exciting. Oh, my cards just went everywhere. Chippy, are you excited too? Oh, we're all very, oh, Sparky. We're all very excited here, you guys. Seriously, thank you so much. I love you guys. I hope you all can join me to celebrate on Monday, May 27th from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time for a live broadcast. See you there.